In this video, I'll show you how to add text to Instagram Reel. So if you want to add text to your Instagram Reel, open your Instagram, click on this. You're going to see the Reel option, click on the Reel. So select the Reel you want to add to, right? So this is it. So I'm going to click on this. So I'm going to click on this review. So what I'm
In
going
this
to do
video, I'll
now,
show you how to do.
okay, I'll show you.
In this video, I'll show you how to do a collaboration post on Instagram.
Okay, so this is what you're going to do.
If you want to collaborate with someone,
you're going to see the text here. So this is it. I'm just typing, thanks, guy, thanks. Okay, thank you all. So I'll just do this. So I'm going to
your brand, your friends, what you need to do, open up your Instagram, click on this,
so
click on post.
If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.